Welcome to Dark History Style. If you enjoy forgotten stories, rare historical photographs, and the hidden side of the past, make sure to subscribe and join us for more incredible journeys through history. A single photograph can preserve a moment forever, but it rarely tells the whole story. Behind every elegant smile, fashionable dress, and perfectly posed portrait is a real person who lived through an era very different from our own. Today, we're exploring a collection of glamorous vintage photographs that capture timeless beauty, classic fashion, and unforgettable personalities. These are more than beautiful images, they are silent witnesses to history. When we think of the early 20th century, many people imagine a world filled with black and white photographs and simple clothing. But the reality was far more colorful. Long before modern fashion magazines existed, women were already setting trends with elegant stockings, carefully tailored dresses, stylish hats, and accessories that reflected both wealth and personality. Every outfit was chosen with purpose, and every photograph was carefully planned because taking a picture was a special event, not an everyday habit. Many of these women became symbols of elegance during their lifetime, while others remained ordinary people whose photographs somehow survived the passing decades. Looking at these restored images today allows us to see details that were hidden for generations. The expressions on their faces, the texture of the fabric, and even the backgrounds reveal small pieces of everyday life that history books often ignore. Stockings became one of the defining fashion statements of the era. They were considered both practical and sophisticated, completing an outfit that represented grace and confidence. During the 1940s, when nylon became scarce because of World War II, many women even drew lines on the backs of their legs to create the illusion of wearing stockings. It was a remarkable example of how fashion adapted during difficult times without losing its sense of style. Hollywood also played a powerful role in shaping beauty standards across the world. Film stars appeared on movie screens wearing glamorous gowns and elegant hairstyles that inspired millions. Women copied their fashion, makeup, and posture, hoping to bring a little piece of Hollywood into their own lives. Studios carefully crafted these public images, turning actresses into international fashion icons whose influence lasted for decades. But not every remarkable photograph belonged to a celebrity. Some of the most fascinating images come from unknown women whose names have been forgotten. A young teacher standing outside a country school, a factory worker dressed in her finest clothes after a long week of work, or a traveler posing beside a railway station. Their identities may be lost, but their photographs continue telling stories of ambition, hope, and everyday life. Old photographs also remind us how dramatically society has changed. A smile that seems effortless today was often held for only a brief moment because cameras required patience and precision. Families would save money for months just to afford a professional portrait. For many people, that single photograph became the only visual record of their entire lifetime. As restoration technology improves, faded images gain new life. Tiny details become visible once again: the sparkle of jewelry, the stitching on a dress, the texture of vintage fabrics, and the confidence reflected in someone's eyes. Color restoration doesn't rewrite history. It simply helps modern viewers connect more closely with people who once seemed distant and unreachable. These restored photographs also challenge many stereotypes about the past. They show that people laughed, celebrated, traveled, dreamed, and expressed themselves through fashion just as we do today. While their world was shaped by different customs and challenges, their emotions remain surprisingly familiar. Perhaps that's why vintage photography continues to fascinate millions of people around the world. Every restored portrait creates a bridge between generations, reminding us that history is not only about wars and famous leaders. It is also about ordinary lives, personal moments, and timeless beauty preserved in a single frame. The next time you look at an old photograph, take a closer look. Notice the expression, the clothing, the background, and the small details that often go unnoticed. You may discover a story that has remained hidden for more than 100 years, waiting for someone to see it again. Thank you for watching Dark History Style. If you enjoyed this journey through rare historical photographs and timeless elegance, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow history lovers. We'll be back soon with another collection of fascinating images and the forgotten stories hidden behind them.